The next part of this section is looking at similar triangles. Similar triangles is a process that uses proportions and known information to find missing information. And it is used a lot by surveyors as well as in scale drawings. So if we look at the picture here, we have two right triangles that are proportional. So the side that's 100 feet, that side in the one triangle corresponds to the side that's 200 feet in the other triangle. And the side that's 60 feet in the smaller triangle corresponds to the side that's x feet. We don't know what that is. So we can set up a proportion 60 over 100 is equal to x over 200. So we know that they are proportional, so we can set up this proportion. And then we can solve it. So with proportions, you do the cross products. So that's going to get you 100x is equal to 12,000. And then divide 12,000 by 100. And x is equal to 120. So this will be 120 feet. And that should make sense because the 200 feet, that is double the 100 feet. So this side should be double the 60 feet, and it is. Number 7 wants us to solve using similar triangles. So workers need to measure the height of the station flagpole. They find that at the instant when the shadow of the station is 381 feet long, the shadow of the flagpole is 99 feet long. The station is 212 feet high. Find the height of the flagpole and round to the nearest whole number. So there's a lot of information here. We know that the shadow of the station is 381 feet. And the shadow of the flagpole is 99 feet. And we know that the station is 212 feet high. So we have two triangles here. The station is 212 feet. And its shadow is 381 feet. And then the flagpole, we know that the shadow is 99 feet, and we're trying to find the height. So because it's at the same instant with the shadow, we know that these are similar triangles. So we can set up a proportion. So 212 over 381 is equal to x over 99. So if I take the cross products, we get 381x is equal to 20,988. And then divide both sides by 381. And we get x is equal to 55.086, but they want us to round to the nearest whole number, so this will be 55 feet.